good evening everyone, especially to you, sir. So as we gather here today, we are here to conduct our project, which is the JOPS Plastic Products Trading System. So this is about for the system we conducted to our research to help or to gain your business, para matulungan namin yung business to make it easy. So as we going to start, sir, as you can see, this is our system, which is the login dashboard. So let's start with login into the system. For this demo, our programmer will log in, and once logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which gives you quick access to main features. So as you can see, these are the features of our system, the inventory, the sales reports. So, ayan. Then, i-demo na yung kung paano natin gamitin ito, sir. For the supplier?
For the inventory management, let's begin with inventory management. Is where you can add, update, delete, and view your products. For example, let's add new product.
So, explain ko lang, sir, ha? Addition lang. Ito yung product kung saan yung store nyo is yung mga names and categories na yung products. So, kung mag-a-add tayo dito, makikita natin siya dito sa dashboard. And makikita natin kung ilan yung bibilhin ng customer. Para pagdating ng inventory, ano na siya, sir, yung automatic na siya, ma-detect na siya. So that is the purpose for our system.
And you can add the names, for example, the quantity to 50, the price to 250 pesos. Once you save it, it automatically listed in the product table.
So as you can see, sir, this is just an example, the price and the names. So as you can see here, sir, the stock here is in stock. So kung i-check natin kung meron pa bang stock yung gusto bilhin ng customer, so as you can see, meron nakalagay dito na in stock. Then kung ilan yung bibilhin niya dito sa quantity. So this is the sample. 50 yung ano niya, yung 50 pieces yung i-purchase ng client, ng customer. And then the unit cost is the 200. And then the selling price is 250. Then pagkatapos nito, sir, pag na-input mo na to, i-add mo dun sa system mo. So you have to save the product na tayo. And ano to na yung bago.
And if you want to edit or update a product, you can do it here as well. For instance, let's increase the stock to 60. It will make it easy to keep your inventory up to date.
Kaya to, sir, kaya to namin ginagawa is para i-keep yung inventory para hindi na tayo dito, sir, like ng hassle. Like, kung ilan yung kuan. Sir? Yes, sir. So free. Or in case kung wala yung yung manager or yung ng business niyo, pwede na dun sa anong tawag dun? Allowed stuff, di ba? Pwedeng gumamit nito.
So now, let's move to sales. So as you can see, sa sales, here is you can see your record, where you record a transaction. So let's say ang customer ay bibili ng 6 plastic chairs. I'll enter the quantity as 6 and the system automatically calculates the total. So once I confirm the sale, it updates the inventory.
Sa sales, ito siya mga kapag. Hindi mo na magbalik. Now, let's move on. To report.
So next is reports. Let's look at the reports. The system generate delayed reports for inventory and sales.
So, ano na to siya? Kalahatan na to? Mag-generate na. Ang report?
This report shows the sold quantity, remaining quantity, and total value of stock. It gives you a clear overview of your inventory status. The sales report provides insight into your daily, weekly, or monthly performance, helping you make informed.
So, dito sir, as you can see, makikita mo yung daily or monthly report based on your activities na ginawa nyo sa system nyo. So, makikita dito yung record kung ilan yung kung sino yung mga matitrace natin, kung sino yung customer na yung bumili, tapos yung contact number nila at saka yung product na nilang pinurchase. And then the total amount of your inventory of your business.
Is this online or month to month?
It depends on you, sir. If you would like to monthly,
If online,
if
so my
online.
contact number.
That's only the record.
This one.
Okay, sir.
Would you like to try adding a product or recording a sale, sir?
How?
Would you like to try, sir? If you want to. You want to add product.
We will guide you.
You can use.
Sample lang, sir.
You want to use it or this lang?
Would you like
Would
to
you like to
try
try?
adding a product or a sale, sir?
Para matry niyo mo
Wala na may buwan, kamba. Sticker.
Yes, sir. Because this is based on your business po, di ba? Yes, sir.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay. So,
Let's move on. Okay, so, sir, as you can see, I hope na nanayunagan ka, sir. And, moro to siya among mapakuan sa imo, sir. Based on your imong experience, you're going to do is to rate our system. So, thank you so much, sir, for your time.
that's all?
That's all, sir.
So you see?
Yes.